Awesome, they're finally here. Thank you so much. Yeah, I've been waiting on these. Thank you. Awesome, they're finally here. I'm really excited that these have arrived today. Not only is it my third purchase from KATA Custom Floor Mats, but they're actually a surprise gift for my daughter. One thing I always appreciate about KATA is their product comes authenticity sealed. So I know it's direct from the factory, nobody's been through it. You always get very detailed installation instructions, so there's no question of how to put these into your vehicle. And this is new since my last purchase. A thank you note. It's got information here about who to contact if I need support or if maybe I don't understand the clear instructions. That's a really nice addition, and it mentions your warranty here as well. Another thing that always impresses people when they get in my car is they see the seal from KATA on the floor mats. Then they really know that it's something quality. I didn't buy these at the local discount store, that these are special and they're just for me. I love the quality of the material, this PVC, and the bound edges. It gives it a really nice look at not a really high additional cost. But anytime you have a floor mat with a bound edge, you're less likely to damage it or anything to fray, although PVC won't really fray. This nice dark black color I chose, it really goes with anything, but there are a lot of options that you can choose from when you're ordering your new floor mats. As I mentioned, this is my third purchase of custom floor mats from KATA, and by far my most important because they're not for me, they're actually for my daughter. She's going to be 16 in a few weeks, and these actually arrived earlier than I thought. And we bought her a new car, but we told her, you have to save up the money, we'll buy car accessories for you. So we're gonna make her think she just got the custom floor mats for her dream car, but the reality is we're gonna have it sitting out in the driveway. I don't know if you're like me, but anytime I make an investment, whether it's a phone, a tablet, or a car, I always want to protect it the best I can. Putting a foam case on helps us protect our investment there. When it comes to your car, the custom floor mats that come with it add a lot of value to it. But if you put those aside and buy something else, when you go to resell it, you have that brand new floor mat to include. And a lot of people, they'll pay a bit extra for that because it gives the impression you've taken excellent care of the car. In this case, my daughter's 16, so I know she's going to eat and drink in that car every day, no matter what I have told her. So that's why we've got her these custom KATA floor mats. When you buy a car, it comes with this type of floor mat. It's the same carpet that's on the floor, and they're expensive, and they're nice, but they don't repel anything. They're difficult to clean, and if you protect them, you protect the value of your car. So what I always do when I get a new car, I'm going to put these aside, and I am going to order KATA custom floor mats to protect the carpet in my vehicle and keep those ones that came with it for later on my resale value. Let me grab this again and show you some of the differences and why I like KATA over any other brand that may be carpet or some other type of fabric. So, as I said, my daughter is going to eat and drink in that car no matter what we tell her, no matter if we take the keys, no matter if she's grounded. She's going to do what she's going to do. She's an independent thinker, and I raised her to be that way. Say she's having a coffee in the morning, and I haven't protected my car by buying KATA floor mats. So she's in the car with 6 of her friends, even though the car seat's 4. And she spills coffee. Where did it go? Directly into the carpet, directly into the mat. So she can try however much she wants. She's not going to get it out, a little bit. But in the end, her dad's going to know there's coffee in there because you can't get rid of the smell. With KATA, it's really easy. Not only can she make her mistakes, easily take care of it, wipe it up really quickly, But then when you get home, anything left, maybe a tiny bit in the crevice, she can just wash down with the garden hose. It dries in minutes, and then her dad's not going to know that she violated the rules. She won't lose her car that day. Aside from protecting my investment, safety is the #1 priority for me and my family. For myself, I always drive a Volvo, then add this extra safety element into it. But one thing that often people don't think of when they're purchasing after factory floor mats is how do they attach to the vehicle? If you take a typical after factory floor mat, the back side is just going to be flat rubber. Rubber will provide a minimal amount of grip and a minimal amount of safety protection. With the KATA custom floor mats, the back side has all these ribs on it. Not spikes that actually could damage the glue on the back side of the carpet, but rounded nubs so that it just gently grips your carpet without sticking a claw in. Whenever you're riding in your car, moving around, passenger seat or driver's seat, these other floor mats with the flat back, they tend to slip and slide. I know many times my daughter would be getting out of the car, step, and this floor mat might slip out from under her foot and cause her to trip and fall. With KATA custom floor mats, that's not going to be the case. When I was younger, I bought floor mats and they kept slipping under the gas pedal or the brake pedal. And sometimes it would cause a malfunction, or it had slipped in a weird position where it really created a dangerous situation for me. So I learned very early that investing in something is the most important thing to do, and to look for safety features and additional benefits of this product rather than just buying whatever's convenient or something that just looks nice. This is a real investment, and it really protects me, my family, and our friends. Some of the other safety features that are included in KATA floor mats are included with some other manufacturers, but there's an extra thought that's gone into these. For example, the anchoring system. So not only do you have the nubs to help grip the carpet, but the anchor system really ensures it's really not going to move much at all. There's safety Velcro at every major attachment point. So again, it's anchored to the floor, it's gripping the floor, and then it's attached in a way that won't damage the vehicle's value or the carpet that you're putting it onto. I used to have custom vinyl floor mats from a very famous competitor in the USA. What I often found about them was because of their surface, I was still slipping. If there was a spill, it was slippery. If I tried to step in the rain, it was slippery. I switched to KATA years ago because of the surface texture. It's not rounded nubs, they're actually slightly indented nubs. So even if liquid is on there, there are about 3 levels of surface area here that's going to help reduce friction, help reduce slippage, and really secure your foot to the gas pedal or wherever you're sitting in the car. It really adds an extra element of peace of mind for me and my wife as we send our daughter out in her first vehicle, that we've done everything we can to add different safety elements to get the best company behind us to help protect her, her friends, and us if we ever decide to ride with her. Along with all these safety features, all the well thought out process and the thoughtfulness that goes into even thanking me for my purchase, I've been really happy doing business with KATA over the past 5 years. I've never had any problems, but they have so many customer service channels set up for me to call, email, or reach out to them that I'm always confident that somebody's standing behind that product. I even had somebody from the company email and ask how my purchase was after they'd noticed I'd made 3 purchases. And that really meant a lot to me, that they recognize that I keep coming back to them. They've earned my business, they've earned my trust, and they've earned that I trust them with the safety of my family. Anytime that you have a new car or you're looking to invest to protect your current car, add a little bit of safety, or especially when it comes to your children, buying KATA custom floor mats is a #1 decision to make.